Is to USS and school or studies. Today, I'm going to teach you more about Scratch. So, last episode, I taught you about motion, looks, and sound. Today, we are going to learn about events, control, and sensing. Okay, so let's start our topic. So, our topic is first events. So, whenever a program is running, you want one thing not to repeat but to happen once time whenever you want it to do. So this events block will tell. Okay. So you can see here there are more blocks. So you can see this is the when flag green flag clicked. So if you click it, keep it here. Okay. Whenever you click this, the program will run. Okay. So now let's do our past project. So it was move 10 steps and now let's start it. See whenever I click the green flag, it's moving. Got it? So now let's set it to 0. 0. That's good. Okay. So it will tell. There is one more. This is only flag when clicked. Yeah, we are when space clicked. Okay. So whenever you do something, suppose C and tell it keep one block here. And now if I click C, it will move. Got it? So this is how we control events. Okay. When is then all others are advanced, so we will learn next time. So these are control. So to control the flow of the program is called control. Okay, so we have blocks here to control. Wait 1 second, repeat forever. Okay, so we will use wait 1 second. See, wait 1 second means it will delay the program to 1 second. Okay, you can change the number. Repeat means do it that many times. Forever means never stop. And then we have when I start as a clone, create a clone. I will do this create a clone and delete clone. Okay. And then we have our sensing. We will make a program. Okay. So the main one is sensing. Whenever sprite feels something that something is there, then the sensing block will come in the control block. So touching the mouse pointer. Okay. What will happen? These all are there. And ask what is your name. This is the main one. Ask what is your name. So ask what is your name and you will get the answer. Okay? And I think this is only it for you now. So let's make a program. So first from events blocks we will take this. Then from control we will take forever. From motions forever connected down. Motion take move 10 steps. Okay? So now it will forever move 10 steps. See, now, let me go to 0. Okay, so you see this motion in motion block. If you see this, if on edge bounce. So if on edge bounce. Okay, and then again it will repeat to move 10 steps. Let's try. See, whenever it is touching the edge, it will bounce and go. Okay, let's keep it 0. So now let's make another project by by if or then. So we are gonna make a uh, runner object. So we throw this. See, if and else we take. Okay. So first, let's take. Guys, while we have time, let's learn the operators variables. They are the last one. So what are operators? The operations of mathematicals are operators where plus, minus, multiplication, division. There are some extra blocks. I will explain you that later. Now variables. Variable is a container which holds a value, okay, and it can change. So now let's make. So we have Ben flag, green flag ring. So our portion of scratch is done. Next video I will teach you a new application, okay, in which Python coding is there. So we will take. So guys, in the next video we will make a program. Okay, guys. So bye for now. Bye everyone.